So today I'm sat with Humayun, who works
Yeah,
at Green Innovate, who are a Eco4 installer.
yeah,
So Humayun, do you want to start with just a bit of an introduction to yourself and the company, kind of what you guys do?
yeah. So basically, we company, as you told, is a Green Innovate UK Limited. So after searching several companies, I prefer to go with the BLC. This is a BLC Promotion is the only one company that I'm doing marketing at the moment.
Perfect. What was the reason, out of interest, you decided to go with us over the other companies? What was it that stood out for you?
So when I was doing the meeting with different companies, so the process was different here in BLC. To be honest, that was the EPC database checks. BLC just put several filters on, and after that, quality leads comes to me. So
Yeah,
that's the point that attracts me for
yeah,
quality leads. So after that, I was just curious about the tally sale, and then telesale, they were obviously quite experienced people, so they know either it's going to be eligible or not. And another thing is obviously the admin charges. That was a very quite helpful for the new entrant. So
yeah,
when you're coming as a new in any business, obviously you're looking for anything that's a budget friendly. So another thing is the cooperation from the directors of this company. So they cooperate with us to run our business smoothly.
amazing. You mentioned obviously the first couple of days were a little bit slow. How have you found it since, as the campaign's developed and it's gone into the end of month one and month two? How have you seen the quality of leads and the number of leads coming across increase?
Yeah, so basically after 2 weeks, I just realized so some leads are coming. So they both leads were quality leads, and at
Yeah,
the moment I'm planning to install them. Yeah,
yeah.
both one, yeah, because that was the very first and second lead. So then I just obviously when after the survey when we just realized it's a quality lead, then we realized obviously the BLC promotion is doing very mature process.
Yeah,
And after that, like we get only quality leads. So we are not like taking any lead in which we have to send the surveyor and we are like obviously wasting our cost.
yeah.
Yeah.
So far, the conversion rate from survey to install has been quite high for you.
Yeah, yeah, it's more than 90% at the moment, to be honest.
Amazing.
Yeah.
That's good to hear. So,
Yeah.
what are your sort of plans with BLC then for the future? Are you looking to increase the budget eventually, keep working with us for the long term? Kind of where do you see the partnership going?
So once I installed the 10 jobs and after that we got like smooth process with the funder, installer, surveys, everything. Obviously we need to see our process on our end as well. So
Yeah,
once that everything line up complete with the installer, with the surveyor, with the funder, everything, then I will definitely straight away double my budget.
double your budget.
Yeah,
That's
at
good to
least.
hear. At least.
Yeah. Maybe more than that, but at least I will straight away double. At the very next day, I will just double my budget.
Yeah, that's good to hear. And then something that we speak to a lot of installers with when they've had bad experiences with other companies is the communication and the service from the agency they worked with. So
Yeah.
how have you found the communication with us? How have you found kind of the service when you've had questions or issues? Is that something that's been particularly good for you?
All right, that's fine. I will give you one example about including in this answer. So,
Yeah,
like, I couldn't get touch with the customers that we already surveys. Like, after 1 month, I was just trying to call them to get an appointment about installation, but
yeah,
they were not answering my call. So then I just put that inquiry in WhatsApp group that is with the BLC. So they straight away within like 2 3 minutes they call that customer and they explain to her and they agrees them. They are experienced people. They are like the communication is not a problem, not never been a
yeah.
problem since I started with them. BLC promotion team, they are like obviously straight away replies with me in a minutes.
That's good to hear as well.
Yeah.
And then sort of final question is, again, we speak to a lot of installers who might not have tried online marketing or they might have tried it and it's not gone very well. So if someone was unsure about coming on board with BLC or using BLC for their marketing, would you recommend us and what would you say to them?
Yeah, definitely. I will recommend one of my friend whose license is in pipeline. He's in a process. I already just told him you don't need to worry about the marketing. I have in company BLC promotion. So obviously I will recommend you. You can straight away on board with them. So you don't need to worry about different companies and because the people go to the different companies and obviously it's a waste of money. I'm not like telling you I just signed up with the BLC promotion straight away because I'm telling you truth because I have meeting with the different companies.
Yeah,
So I
and
just
we're the best.
yeah. Yeah,
That's great
exactly.
to hear.
Yeah, I understand from them how they how their process, how they are like processing the data. So
Yeah,
that was like I realized with after like 2 3 meetings, and I realized that this one is like good company. The one of your guy Oscar, he just explained me very well, and I just tried to make a phone call like 2 3 times, and he explained me all the time very well.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's great to hear. Well, yeah, obviously
Problem.
happy to hear that you've enjoyed the experience with us so far, and we're
Yeah.
excited to help you grow as a company. As you
Yeah.
mentioned, double your budget. So yeah, thanks for your time today, Humayun.
No problem. You are most welcome anytime.
Thank you.